had a great turnout this year. It's Trout's 8th annual Wall Street Unplugged. We have over 60 companies and over 200 attendees.
It's helpful to have panels like this at this event. It does allow both sell side, buy side, as well as executives to sort of share in a little more casual environment.
The concept of this conference was very interesting to us. The fact that it's about the companies and not the usual investor type conference. So we felt that that was quite powerful, and we were very privileged and happy to be part of it.
I really enjoyed this conference. It was really well run and really well put together, and all of the panels were very informative.
This event allows our companies to really have an inside look into Wall Street. It gives them access to buy side, sell side, FDA advisors.
I think it's important for the industry, both on the investor side and the small company side, to really understand the policy landscape and frankly their ability to impact that policy landscape.
What I enjoyed about the meeting was having the opportunity to meet with some of the CEOs and other business development folks and companies and share the experience of doing transactions with large pharmaceutical companies.
I think really what was amazing this year is how engaged people were in trying to find solutions to really complex problems, trying to drive innovation, raise capital, and next year I hope we can just build on that.